Alright, gonna do a quick video swapping out my block heater on my 99.73 Powerstroke. The only tools you're really gonna need for this are maybe a set of channel locks, a ratchet, and a 1 1/8 deep socket. And then this kind of helps keep the mess under control. I just took a older vacuum I had laying around and taped it to my reservoir, so when I go to pull the old block heater out of there, it shouldn't leak as bad. Alright, so once you're under here, all you got to do is just unthread this little guy from the block heater itself, and that cord pulls right out. And then, oh gosh, now once you got the cord out, you're just gonna, I'm using a breaker bar because mine's stuck in there nice and good, but just use the breaker bar if you need to. If not, just use a ratchet, break it loose. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my ratchet. I'm not going to want to go too far yet, just because I haven't turned my vacuum on yet, so I want to try and limit the amount of coolant that I'm going to be sucking up in my vacuum here. So we'll stop about there, go turn on the vacuum real fast. Now I got the vacuum on, back under here. Make sure you got the new one ready to go. Put some Teflon tape around there so you're not leaking. Here we go. Here's the old element. Now we got the old one out. We got the new one started there. Go ahead and torque her down. Don't want to go too tight or else you'll crack your housing. But make sure you get it in there enough where it's not going to fall out from the vibration. Okay, so now we got our new heating element installed there. As you can see, the cord's still in there, the old cord, which I believe that cord is toast. Plus, the new one came with a new cord anyways. So I left that cord in there so I could just go ahead and follow where it goes to with the new one. Make it really easy to route how I want it. So I can do that real quick and plug her in. Okay, so now I got it routed down in there. I'm just going to go ahead and use some electrical tape and tie it off, or maybe some zip ties. Okay, so now we got our cord routed and our new block heater in place. So we're going to go ahead and just take this guy, line it up, plug it in. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get that block heater to sit exactly how I wanted to have this sit at the right angle, but it'll do. Go ahead and tighten this guy down, and you're good.